Let's talk about it now. This independent development, some plans for this title feature. First of all, I wanted the fastest way. I don't think about this portrait right now, because not everyone thinks about it. So this cover, you can take a picture of this base map at random. But there's something wrong with this headline. And that's how to fix the focus. Drag and drop. And this idea of a 2-line, 3-line wrap, main title and subtitle, and the color of the text, border and background, and especially this typeface, because I didn't before. I searched all the online materials. Nobody told me, how does this text become vertical? And why is it all uppercase and not lowercase? His effect is completely different. And this border, so I'm going to be in this code now. Go put this word. His font was fixed in a web font. There was no alternative. Then it becomes vertical. Then his color I tentatively set to yellow, and some borders to fine-tune it. So later, if I have a new video, if I go to make the title, I won't do picture selection now, and the function of writing pictures and text. Instead, I directly quote my pictures locally. That text. Write it in the code, then click on this picture. The ratio is also 16:9. I'm doomed to then directly export it with one click. This is the smallest MVP. Okay, so step 2, I will think about it. Add an image overlay of this face and select the picture. Editing or modifying text content. Now let's focus on the local ones, how to use it quickly. Okay, this is the video before development. I'll record it later, after the development of the system. Let me show you what this typeface looks like. It's what it looks like now. That's what I was hoping for in the end. And it was called this Oswald Bold. And remember this. I'm going to change it to a font. You see, for example, I've changed the font now. It's not this kind of vertical, then it's not very thick either. It looks very thin. It doesn't really grab your attention. Then switch it to just this one. Waswithout will then feel this. It has this is the style of YouTube text that's vertical. So I solidify this font. I'll change it to this typeface for now. I will adjust the rest. This font, you can find it on this Google Find, and then I can show you how it works. The effect of this font, and of course, this typeface, why did I use it recommended by this ChatGPT AI? Then this upper right corner, you can just download this font. You can use this web version of the quote. You can also download its full font. Go to this computer, do it yourself. How can I come now? Introduce this font to the web page and have a try. Okay, here I am already in this indexed H. Introduce this Google font. Then defines the name of its font. And then we can find it in our one text. To use this style, the typeface you see here has not yet been applied. And then we annotate this font file. So this is what you see in bold. And the vertical, the style of this YouTube font. And then you can also add some strokes to him or something. First of all, there is no problem with the size of the font. You can adjust it yourself. Okay, I'm now going to make a cover with my tools. This is one of my navigation stations. I click on this cover tool. Select this video I want to make this time. Sincere cover. It generates 9 maps. If you are not satisfied, we will continue to choose. Like this one. This picture can express it well. This tool starts the download. After downloading, we'll deal with it. I put this picture, put it in my code and use it. Okay, here I have put the picture I just selected, quoted in the project. Then the effect referenced in the project, and I gave it a default title. Let's turn this title around. Let him reach this on top of this picture. Probably in the middle. He kind of overlaps with this one, but it doesn't matter. He has this attraction. Then the final look is about 1/3 the effect. It looks like this. We'll upload it to the video as a cover. And then the next video, and you get this picture. But now I haven't. There is no such export function. I also need to add an export function. Okay, I just added an export function with a. Here we elongate this text. Edit it. Okay, make it about 1/3 the height of the picture. Then directly above. Ultimately, that's what I wanted. Then we click download. You can see the picture here, download one, double click. So this is the cover that I ended up uploading. Try uploading it later. Okay, we are now uploading the cover of the video we just did. Try it. Select the video first. And try this cover we made here. You can see that the black edge is still relatively obvious. The black border effect is obvious here. This is obviously not what I want. Then the same. I also have a tool here that I wrote before. Select the picture we just had. And then it has a select box here. We stretch it. Then we click to download the picture. Let's open our picture again. Switch it. Of course, I will make it all-in-one later. This image review. Select again. As you can see, the black edge is gone now. Describe this picture website we just made. It still has some size issues. Then we click Next. Notice the cover of YouTube at 16:96. Multiply by 50, 890 times 50,450. I wrote 500 before here. Then here is the written 500, so he will have a certain proportion problem. I'll change it to 800 and 450 now. In theory, there should be no problem. There will be no more testing. Just to illustrate, you must know that your picture is 16:9. If you don't know, we can use this one. This tool for YouTube. Come and do some cropping on it. Like what? We can choose the area you want on the right here. The final display of this. It just doesn't have a black border. Of course, this tool will eventually integrate it into. This is a YouTube K website. So to summarize, this is the video. I set this picture to a 16:9 ratio, and I found this YouTube video. This is a bold font. Let it compare to this below. It has this focusing power even more, and he can pull. Then I added another click download button. Click, he will download this picture to this one. In this way, I have a cover like this anytime. You can default to yellow. Then the accelerated font. Quickly add a text to this cover. For example, to achieve such an effect of uploading pictures,